Mr. Philip Glaser, and I am the Managing Director of Bespoke Traffic and Highway Solutions. Over 15 years and fleet manager. My career high in the highway sector is probably going to arrive next month. I have many. I don't think there's anything I'd do differently in my career. Genuinely, I don't think there is, because all positives and negatives have been a learning curve. Square in the circle. A sense of fulfillment at the end of every day. I want to feel like I've achieved something. It's changing consistently. I'd make the large tiers and the final customer a lot more approachable.